Valentine's Day is less than a month away. And I know a lot of people out there are thinking, damn, I missed it. But trust me, you didn't. There are still products that you can list today and make money. And on top of that, adding bundles like this can instantly increase your order value, which means more money in your pocket. And in this video, I'm gonna show you what to list and how to create a bundle set in under a minute flat. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. So the first product we're obviously gonna talk about is this bear and balloon. And you can launch these very quickly using Printify. Now, Printify has 3 different options, and I use this one for the video, but I like this one here. So if I click on there, as you see, it's a lamb, right? But they have a bear option. In addition to that, they also have a tiger, a panda, a bunny, and a lion. Now, the reason I like this one, possibly better than that guy right there, is because this is something that I could sell long-term. So even after Valentine's Day, I can continue selling stuffed animals to parents for little kids. And that is a great thing because I'm not just a holiday type of person, I do like evergreen things. But of course, for this video, we're talking just about Valentine's Day, so definitely just choose the bear. In addition to that, obviously, throwing in a balloon like this is a great addition and is a perfect way to start up that bundle set. Now, like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna show you how to do this bundle in less than a minute flat. And anybody that's ever tried to set up some sort of bundle using Printify and connecting it to Etsy knows it's very frustrating and time consuming. So I met with Chris Meets from AnywherePOD and I timed him. So let me just bring up that video for you right now. Hey Chris, thank you so much for jumping on with me. I really appreciate it. I want to do something crazy here. Now, I've already sent you the design right here of this little bear as well as this balloon here. And I want you to showcase how quick AnywherePOD can bundle these two together for us, if you don't mind.
Perfect. Yeah, that sounds great. Yeah, thanks for having me on. That sounds like fun. Let's do it.
All right, so I'm adding this to the stage and I want you to do this as quick as possible. And just to really throw things for a crazy loop here, I'm going to put the stopwatch on. I'm going to click start. So you let me know when you are ready.
All right, let's go. I got it pulled up. Let's do it.
Go.
All right, so here's our balloon. We already have that created that George has. I'm going to add our bear t-shirt to this design. So I'm going to go to add variants, search for my bear shirt here.
And I'm going to try to distract you here. So you better watch your screen and not me over here.
Oh no, where's my bear image? Okay, there it is. Here's my bear image that George sent that he has.
Be mine.
There we go. All right, now we need to expand that image, add that to our product. All right, heart balloon, teddy bear, perfect. So the customer has a choice between those two, but we want to add these as a bundle as well because I want the customer to be able to, with one click, purchase both of these. There we go. There's our bundle. Let's change this name here because I want the customer to look a little bit nicer. So we'll say heart balloon and teddy bear, save. All right, that's the time.
Done. 1:05, 1 minute and 5 seconds. And also, you know, we kind of talked for a second there, so probably under a minute easily. Holy shit, everybody right there just bundled 2 things separately. There you go. You have a Be Mine teddy bear as well as a balloon like I was just showcasing that you could sell online. Thank you so much, Chris, for jumping on. I really do appreciate you taking the time there and doing this with us. So thank you. And everybody go check out AnywherePOD. I will drop a link below. All right.
Perfect. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Okay. So how crazy is that? In under a minute flat. Now, yeah, it said 1:05, but really I did talk and I messed with them a little bit. So a minute flat, you are able to create a bundle set. That is just insane. Now, anybody that has never used AnywherePOD, I personally use it and I show it a lot on my channel. And if you want to use it, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you use code Etsy Mentor, you get 30 days free. Now, if you don't want to create a bundle and you only want to sell just the bear, then what I would suggest you do is make sure that the mock-up shows it in a setting that would be for Valentine's Day. This will instantly put it in our heads, hey, that's what I'm shopping for, and this is why I want to buy it. So we kind of gravitate towards that. And you can easily do this with any sort of AI system. And I already did it with Gemini to show you. So right here, all I did was take a mock-up right from Printify and tell Gemini that I wanted some flowers and some strawberries. And it put together this amazing photo for me. Now, of course, when you are using AI, it does come out a little blurry. And this is where I usually use some sort of upscaler. And anybody that's ever seen my photos knows I upscale everything. So just to show you really quick what I mean by upscaling is when I'm looking at this, see how blurry it is? And now look how crystal clear it is. I do this for everything, for my designs, for my mock-ups, even for my ads on Facebook. I want a crisp, clear picture every single time. So whether you're using Photoshop, Canva, or in this case, Artie, make sure you upscale every single picture because showing it in the best light and quality will instantly get you more clicks and more sales. Now we're gonna move on to the second product, and that is underwear, okay? And you have women's underwear as well as men's underwear. Now, some people might say, well, I don't want to sell underwear, but wait until I show you how much money this makes. Now, before anything, just searching up custom underwear, you could see the amount of sales that this thing gets on a monthly basis, okay? And even here, this was just listed less than a month ago and already has 357 views organically. Now, bringing up one of these, like this one, or even this one, you can see the amount of sales that they've had, and it's crazy. But watch, if I click Analyze Listing, last month, 424. And if I go to 12 months to see how much they made for Valentine's Day, in January, they sold 751 of these items. And in February, 779. So right here, this is where the mass amount of this product is sold, Christmas and Valentine's Day. So you still have time to list this and make a ton of money. Now, unfortunately, I was gonna buy one of these and I had Tiger on it, but it did not arrive in time. So I'm sorry, but you're not gonna be seeing me strutting my stuff with Tiger on it. I probably wouldn't do that anyway, but it would have been funny. And I know Tiger's kind of sad that I didn't get these in time. Now going on to the next one here, all right, is candles. Now I know I always talk about candles and say, they're a little low in margins, and they are. It's a very competitive space. But if you were to bundle it in something like this, you can make good amount of money. And if you honestly just want to sell the candle alone, you could do that as well. And I've already created a mock-up using ChatGPT because I know not everybody has Gemini. So just to show you right here, you have a little bit of a bedroom setting that is blurred out, some flowers here, and it's on a book. I'm not really sure why, but that's kind of like a fire hazard, whatever. Either way, it says great sex. Throw that online and you'll see that take off, especially during Valentine's Day. Now, for anybody that is offended, because when I swear you get offended, and also when I have things like this, you get offended, how do you think we got here? So just shut up and watch the video, or don't. I don't care. I'm here to help people make money. So with that said, I would suggest launching one of these products. And if you're up for it, make it into a bundle set. Now, one thing to note is that these do all come from different production partners, which means that there's going to be shipping costs from each and every single one. So you need to make sure that you are adding that into the total price that you're selling this for. In addition to that, you want to make sure that you're letting the customer know that these are going to come from different shipping partners and possibly at different times. And trust me, they're not going to be upset by that. There are a ton of companies that do this on a daily basis, one being Yankee Candle. If you order multiple candles from Yankee Candle, they come from all over the place. They come at different times, different dates, and even from different shipping suppliers. The same thing with Neiman Marcus because most of those come from the actual store itself. And even Amazon, when you order from them, sometimes you get a shipment in the morning and sometimes you get a shipment at night. So trust me, they're not going to be upset by that. But you definitely want to let them know and shoot them a message saying, hey, this tracking number is for this and this tracking number is for that. Be proactive, and that will lead you to 5-star ratings and more purchases in the future. Now, if you have any questions about any one of these products or want to know how to do a bundle set, leave me a comment below or join my live free webinar that I'm hosting January 14th for, you guessed it, Valentine's Day. I hope to see you there. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.